Welcome to an MTD Technical Corner. Now we're talking about hole making here today, and the U-drills, I don't know if some people love them, some people hate them, and I'm sure some of the operators today who are looking at these will be reminded of times where they've been looking at the spindle load, they've been U-drilling some steels, and the spindle power is going up, and they're praying the machine spindle does not stall. How does the APX, which is the product we're looking at here, handle the large power required for these big holes?
The APX drill, Allied's piloted indexable drill, uses replaceable inserts, IC inserts on the outside. If this down to 95 was a TA spade drill, this will use a lot of machine power. You'll probably need a machine 40-45 kilowatts to run that.
And that would be a hefty machine.
Hefty machine.
And if you're interested in the TA Pro, we've done a video, another technical corner on the TA Pro, so check that out.
So say 40-45 kilowatts as a spade drill with the APX, because we've got indexable inserts, we run at light feed rates, roughly 50% of the machine thrust. So on the 20-22 kilowatt machines, you can drill a larger diameter hole than you think your machine's capable of. Okay,
so you can be a little bit more confident with the APX. But what kind of applications are we talking about? Is this more bespoke or is it kind of a general machining?
APX is deep hole, large diameter, say 95 up to 8 times D. So any of your sort of housings, pump housings, large block of material that you want to use a roughing hole to start and then follow with either turning or boring operations. This is a tool that really removes a lot of material. Got a nice open chip flute for chip evacuation. So yeah, general purpose drill, large holes, roughing solution really. That's where to start with this one.
Absolutely. If you're trying to rip that material out, one of the major problems is the center point. And why is that?
So the center insert is the pilot insert, center's the drill, outside insert's cut, outside to inside, the center, really low RPMs. So that's where people have problems with this sort of drill. It's the actual wear on the pilot insert, increased wear due to low speed really. So with our TA insert, 40 years of development work on those inserts there, we can tailor make or use a standard insert TA, Gen 2, TA Pro insert, suited to your material base to get you a good result.
Okay, so if someone's watching this right now and they can think of a U-drill application where they've been really struggling because the center has been, what would happen? It would chip, would it get some notch wear? What happens?
Predominantly, center inserts crack because there's no speed. So there we can use any insert, we can lower the speeds and feeds right down to get you a safe process. More difficult materials like Inconels, high temperature alloys, stainless steels, we could put a premium cobalt insert in the centre. High speed steel offers increased wear resistance, gives you a good secure process.
Okay, so make sure that centre point is going to maintain its strength, which is keeping the hole straight.
We've gone down the indexables, so once the insert's past its life, take the insert out, put a new one in. Same for the outside insert, trigon shaped, 3 cutting edges, helps reduce the customer's cost of a hole.
Okay, and that's why it's a modular system, because if you damage maybe the insert pocket, then you can just swap that out.
Yep, so there's 2 mounting screws, so if something happens that you damage the front of the head, you can take it off, put a new insert on, check your TIR as always for drilling, and carry on drilling.
Okay, so if people are ripping out these holes at a low cost per hole, but what about the actual resulting hole quality? How do you make sure that surface finish is what you need?
Again, you need a good centre insert to start with, but then on the outside inserts, we've modified to have a wiper geometry. So the wiper, we flat off the corner, and that gives you a smoother hole surface finish.
Absolutely. There's a fascinating, on the 95mm here, there's a fascinating extra insert on the outside. What does that do?
So with the APX, up to 70mm, we go from a double effective to single effective. So single effective, you've got offset inserts. The wiper pads on the outside help as a buffer really, so as the drill's going it might kick a little bit, so these just keep the tool on centre.
And if people have been stung by U-drilling applications in the past but they want to have another go, how can they try out an Allied machine tool, for example?
Again, with all of our drilling products, we offer a guaranteed application. So the customers go to alliedmachine.com, fill in an APX guaranteed application form, we'll receive the form, we agree to the test objective, we'll send them the tools, and that tool on a test basis. If the test meets the customer's objective, everyone's happy, and they keep on running the tool for the production.
Fantastic. So check out guaranteed application from Allied Machine. That's been the APX U-drill. you.